Breaking news, the FTC has officially stepped in to stop Credit Karma from deceiving consumers. Let's talk about it. Hello everybody, this is Zac Ricci with Fund&Grow, reporting on a blog post contributed by our very own Rebecca Kroon of a breaking story developing this week, where the Federal Trade Commission has stepped in to stop Credit Karma from deceiving consumers. Now I have the actual blog post right here. Have you recently seen that you were pre-approved for a credit offer through Credit Karma? If so, you may be a victim of their deceptive claims. Essentially, the Federal Trade Commission published a press release on September 1st addressing the actions they have taken against Credit Karma for falsely stating their users were pre-approved with a 90% odds of being approved for credit that they wound up being unqualified for. The FTC found that 1/3 of these pre-approved offers ultimately resulted in denials from January 2018 to April of 2021, which consumers claimed was harming their credit scores. So basically what was happening was Credit Karma was in agreement with certain credit lenders where they were going to get a kickback for every approval that they got from their general consumers from their website. And so after A/B testing a few different ways of getting people to apply, Credit Karma actually was hitting them with this offer of, well, you're basically approved already. And then people would apply, and over 1/3 of them would be denied because they shouldn't have been applying for in the first place. Their credit wasn't ready yet. And so what does that do? It's a ding on their credit, which is ultimately going to drop their score, especially if they were going after multiple credit pre-approval offers. And so, after the FTC has stepped in, they've ordered Credit Karma to pay $3 million to those who wasted their time applying for these credit cards to only be denied, and defer the company from making these false claims in the future. There's plenty more to read in this blog post if you check it out online for free. And as shocking as this is to see an institution that was claiming to just be on the up and up to help people with their credit actually get a kickback from basically conning people into applying for credit. The only thing I would say more shocking than that development is the shocking development that we here at Fund&Grow called that over a month ago. This is from our premium coaching package that you can be a subscriber to if you wish. But we actually had a whole story about credit monitoring services that receive kickbacks from going with pre-approval offers and basically falsifying credit scores. It's a situation where they want something out of this, and so they're willing to do whatever they can in order to achieve the goal that they want. So, bottom line is, when it comes to credit monitoring, you want to be careful for these things. You want to go for a service that's going to give you just the honest information, give you the score. There are plenty of options out there. Fund&Grow has one as well if you're interested. There's a credit monitoring service that we run through which just gives you the information, but there's plenty out there. Bottom line is, just because a credit monitoring service is saying that there's some kind of pre-approval or something along those lines doesn't mean you should jump after it. Make sure you've got all your ducks in a row, your credit as strong as it can be, as high as it can be, make those right choices, and then start doing your research about what kind of accounts you should be applying for, not just what some site that's getting a kickback is throwing your way. So we hope this has been beneficial to you. Again, please go check out that blog post on our website, fundandgrow.com. Amazing work there. And again, hope this information has been helpful to you. Hope this helps to inform some maybe future decisions for you. And for everybody here, I'm Zac Ricci. We'll see you here next time.